Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Glov beauty subscription. Okay, so if you have placed any order and by mistake if you forget to untick the option of subscribe and save, so they will activate subscription on your account. And if you want to cancel your subscription, how you can cancel it? Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, when you visit on their profile like Glov beauty on Trustpilot, you will see like there are so many customer are complaining like hidden subscription. Okay, cancel subscription, cancel subscription. Okay, so when we checking the, you can like reviews, there is a method by which you can cancel your subscription. I'm going to provide you two methods by which you can easily cancel your subscription. Okay, so the first method, you need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen, or you can take help from ChatGPT. In the email you need to mention your order details by which they can verify your account, like your order number and like your item order, and you need to provide your details by which they can verify your account. Okay, and in the email, in the end of the email, you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like jessica@glovbeauty.com. Okay, as they mention on Trustpilot. Okay, so you can see jessica@glovbeauty.com. They have mentioned this email ID on their Trustpilot profile. Okay, so when you send the email at their email address, they will receive your email, and after verification they will cancel your subscription, and they will reply you when you ask a proof of cancellation in the email. Okay, and if you don't get any reply from their side, please check your spam folder also. In some time your email may be in your spam folder. Okay, if you don't get any email from their side, it means they are not going to cancel your subscription. What you have to do, you need to cancel your credit card. You need to get a new credit card, and once you cancel your credit card, once you get a new credit card, your all unwanted, all your old subscription will end it automatically, and you are free from charges, unwanted charges. Okay, so this is the last option to cancel your subscription. By using these two ways you can cancel your subscription, and if you are facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.